Excellency, President
ni the QuickTimes News nk'ibisanzwe uhawe ikaze ni mu ijambo rya Perezida Kagame aho yagaragaje icyizere cy'umusaruro mwiza mu bufatanye bwa Indonesia na Afurika. Ni Perezida Paul Kagame aho yatangaje ko ku butegetsi bwa Joko Widodo wa Indonesia yashyize imbaraga mu gukorana na Afurika n'u Rwanda by'umwihariko ku buryo umusaruro wabyo uzaba uwo kwishimirwa na buri wese. Uhawe ikaze rero ni ikiganiro Perezida wa Repubulika Paul Kagame yagiranye n'abari bitabiriye abakuru b'ibihugu na guverinoma bitabiriye inama ya kabiri ya Indonesia Africa Forum yatangiye kuri uyu wa mbere n'uwa gatatu Nzeri umwaka wa 2024. Ni inkuru rero dukesha igihe.com aho Perezida wa Repubulika yagaragaje ko Indonesia, Perezida wa Indonesia Joko Widodo wagejeje isozwa rya manda ye nk'umukuru w'igihugu cye yabereye Afurika inshuti nziza, ashyira imbere gutega amatwi uyu mugabane. Mu magambo ye Perezida wa Repubulika yagize ati: wabaye inshuti y'ukuri binyuze mu gukorana nawe, hashyizweho umusingi uhamye kandi sinshidikanya ko hagiye kugaragara umusaruro ufatika twese tuzishimira. Joko Widodo w'imyaka 63 yagiye ku butegetsi kuva mu mwaka wa 2014 Ukwakira, abarizwa mu ishyaka rya Indonesian Democratic Party of Struggle. Biteganyijwe ko nyuma ya Indonesia Africa Forum hazasinywa amasezerano afite agaciro ka miliyari 3.5 z'amadolari. Inama ya mbere yahuje Indonesia na Afurika yabaye tariki ya 10 na 11 Mata umwaka wa 2018 ibera muri Nusa Dua Convention Center i Bali. Mu mwaka kandi wa 2022 nibwo Perezida Kagame yasuye Indonesia aho yari yitabiriye inama y'abakuru b'ibihugu 20 bikize ku isi twita G20. Umukuru w'igihugu yabonanye na mugenzi we wa Indonesia bagirana ibiganiro by'ibanze ku hazaza n'ubutwererane bw'impande zombi z'uburyo bwo gushimangira umubano mu bya diplomasi hagati y'u Rwanda ndetse na Indonesia. Muri Kamena 2024 nabwo u Rwanda na Indonesia byasinye amasezerano arimo ay'imikoranire hagati y'ibihugu byombi yo gusangizanya ubunararibonye mu bya politiki no gukuraho viza ku badiplomate n'abafite pasiporo za serivisi. U Rwanda rwanafunguye ku mugaragaro ambasade yarwo muri Indonesia mu gushimangira umubano uhuriweho n'ibihugu byombi. Indonesia itera inkunga u Rwanda mu nzego zitandukanye harimo ingufu z'amashanyarazi, ubuhinzi, ubukerarugendo, uburezi n'ibindi. Yohereza mu Rwanda ibicuruzwa bitandukanye birimo n'amavuta yo guteka. Ni the QuickTimes News rero nakagaruka n'ubundi reka mbareke mukomeze gukurikira ikiganiro cyangwa se ijambo nyakubahwa Perezida wa Repubulika Paul Kagame yagiriye muri Indonesia aho yagaragaje nk'uko twabigarutseho, aho yagaragaje icyizere cy'umusaruro mwiza mu bufatanye bwa Indonesia na Afurika. Ni ijambo rero rigufiya ry'iminota 4 reka mbareke muryumve. Nta kindi usabwa rero uretse kureba aho handitse subscribe ugakandaho maze tukajya tubana 5 kuri 5 mu yandi makuru ndetse n'angaya.
Excellency President Joko Widodo, our host, Excellencies, heads of state and government, senior leaders here present, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. It is a pleasure to be back in Indonesia and Bali, and I would like to thank President Joko Widodo for convening this forum. The spirit of African-Asian cooperation was born in this country 69 years ago at the Bandung Conference. This movement defined a geopolitical space for countries struggling to secure their economic and political features. In a deeply unfair geopolitical order through new forms of cooperation and solidarity. We are certainly stronger now than we were at that time, but we still have not made the most of what we can do by working closely together as Africa and Asia, and in particular, Indonesia. Let me give 3 examples of how we can foster more strategic collaboration. First, Indonesia and Africa are blessed with the critical raw materials required to transition the world to sustainable energy. We need to share experiences to ensure that the gains from this historic opportunity benefit our people in the form of new jobs in more complex manufacturing value chains. We cannot accept the exploitative patterns of the past to be repeated and challenged. Second, we see Indonesia leading the way in technology, education, and innovative business models. Yet, relatively few Indonesian companies are active in Africa, and the opportunities in Indonesia are also relatively unknown to Africa's private sector. This should change. Rwanda is open for business, and we extend a warm welcome to investors and entrepreneurs from Indonesia. I am pleased that an agreement will be signed tomorrow by our respective business associations, and I trust that it will be quickly put into action. We would also like to see more African students studying science and technology in Indonesia and working with innovative Indonesian startups. Finally, our coordination in multilateral settings must be enhanced, particularly in climate change and trade negotiations. Whenever our interests overlap, we should not take too long and too much time before we can streamline that. Excellency, President Joko Widodo, as you conclude your highly consequential term as your country's leader, allow me to take this moment to commend your consistent attention to strengthening the relationship between Indonesia and Africa, and notably with Rwanda. You have been a true friend. Working together, a strong foundation has been laid, and I have no doubt that there are going to be concrete results that we will all be proud of. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, I thank you for your kind attention.